this color change, you need a preparation or make a simple gimmick. This is your gimmick. Okay, so just half of card. Okay, you just take any card and just cut it in half, and you just then fold it like this, and then you just give a sticky tape right here. Okay, just take double tape. Okay, just a little, and place it on the back right here. So this is your yep, little preparation or little gimmick. And then you need another card, the full card, as a final card. Okay, and you can fold like this. Okay, and you can fold again like this. Okay, so one more time here, just fold here, and you can fold again like this. And then you take your little gimmick. Okay, remember there's a sticky right here, and all you do, you just stick it together. Okay, here you can stick it like this. Okay, so you create like a double face. Okay, so this is your preparation. And to perform it, first you just unfold your gimmick like this. Okay, and show here the back side. Okay, and you can put it on your pocket. Anytime you're ready, you just bring and show. After that, you just unfold like this and showing like this. Okay, you can show the suit right here. After that, you just place it on your palm, and when you put it, you just secretly unfold the back card, and this is the position. Okay, so here, okay, after you show, you place it on your palm, and secretly you just unfold. Okay, this is the position of the card on your palm. Okay, from the side here, you can show, you just secretly unfold, and you just hold like this. Okay, so here, okay, here. And to do the change, it's really simple. All you do, you just fold the front card. Okay, by take your thumb and just fold until the back card move to the front. Okay, so one more time here, you just take your thumb, place right here, and just fold and showing like this. Of course, you do it with the shake. Okay, you just show, you just like backward, and when you do the moving forward, you just do this and change happen. One more time, you come up and you just unfold like this and show it, or you just come up and place it on your palm and you do unfolding with your cover. You just unfold everything here, and when you're ready, you just show, and this is ready. Okay, so show, you can show your hand empty, and you just unfold your gimmick and showing like this. Make sure you maintain your angle. You can keep this your finger and your buckle pushed together to cover the backer. Okay, after that, remember here you just backward, and when you do forward, just fold the front card like this. One more time, show, put on your palm, do the chain. After that, you put your finger right here, and you just unfold the card completely with the back facing the audience and the face facing you, and this is the position. All you do after that is really simple. You just fill up your gimmick like this, and after that you can show everything. And of course, this final card, you can hand out this for your audience for examination, and you can hide your gimmick on your palm, and you can ditch it later, or you can put it on your pocket.